Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Xbox Cloud Gaming with the same Microsoft account tied to your Xbox profile. Once signed in, click the Gamerpic or profile icon at the top right to open profile settings. This is where you change identity details. Make sure you have a square image ready or plan to use an Xbox avatar. Images larger than required will be cropped. You're initiating the change now. Follow the on-screen prompts to reach the profile editing options so you can swap or edit your picture. You'll now choose whether to upload a custom image or use an Xbox avatar. If you upload, select Choose Gamerpic, then pick the file. Adjust crop, zoom, and placement so the face or logo sits centered. If you opt for an avatar, select Change Avatar and modify appearance, outfit, and background. Avatars sync across services. Make sure your image follows community rules, otherwise you'll get a rejection. As you finish adjustments, confirm to preview how it appears in Cloud Sessions and Friends lists. You finish by clicking Save or Confirm so the change syncs to your Xbox profile and Cloud Sessions. Once done, refresh the page or restart the Xbox Cloud Gaming app to force an update. Changes often appear within minutes but sometimes take longer. If it doesn't show, make sure the file is PNG or JPG under size limits and not blocked by content rules. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in or check account sync on Xbox.com. These steps usually resolve lingering issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.